If you have a gaming system and you're worried that it's gonna overheat, this fan is for you. I have it, obviously in this setup right here, and I've had it for about 2 years, and it still has never overheated because I have this fan. And you just gotta make sure that it's not all the way to the back, and so that I could get some air flowing. And obviously, I have some space on the other side, some spaces where the air could flow. But this fan has been amazing. So something I did on my PS5 was that I limited the amount of time that it will be on after the system went into rest mode, because if not, it would have been on for 3 hours. So what you do is that you go to your system, then and your settings, and then you go to power saving, and after that you click on features available, and after that you click on a amount of time that the USBs will be on for. Because again, as you see here, it says 3 hours or always. So I didn't want that fan to be running 3 hours after the system was off. So this way, it just turns on automatically when I turn the PS5 on or take it off of rest mode, and it turns off automatically when it goes into rest mode. Another great thing is that this thing is very quiet. Like, you can't hear it from here. But obviously, if you get really close and quiet, you can hear it. But even just about a foot away, can't hear it.